Okay, so this is what the .NET Framework is. It's a combination of languages, a base library, or a base library plus extensions, and a runtime. And again, the process is we take a C Sharp, we turn it into a .NET assembly, which is converted into IL. Our C Sharp is converted into IL, then packaged in a .NET assembly. The .NET assembly is loaded by the CLR, and your code runs. Like I said before at the beginning of this class, there's a variety of ways that we can load up our CLR. So for example, we have a web server like IIS, if you guys are familiar with that. That IIS has a CLR built in. It allows it to run your C# code. Unity 3D has Mono built in, which allows you to run your C# code. Desktop, mobile, and console apps are understood natively by the CLR on their respective operating systems. So again, I guess I can do one more run through and then we can go ahead and get started unless there's anything that I have forgotten. So a language is a way to express logic in a form that humans understand in the form of syntax. We have C#, C, C++, JavaScript, Ruby, variety of different languages. We're focusing on C#. C# gets converted into a .NET assembly. It gets converted into a .NET assembly through the step of compilation, which is performed by the C# compiler known as csc.exe. However, we never do this manually during production because we have something called an IDE to do this for us. So Visual Studio is responsible for taking our C# code and turning it into a .NET assembly by using CSC behind the scenes. Finally, when we have our .NET assembly, we need to load it somewhere because .NET assemblies are not understood natively by a CPU. They get loaded by another program called the CLR, which can be embedded into other programs or ran directly against the operating system.